Today we will be trying a brand new candy. So this is called Payday, guys. I haven't even tried it. My brother just broke a half for me. So I was like, I could review this. So this is how it looks. It has peanuts and caramel. Oh, that's like it. This is how it looks. Wait, let me show you again. Very good. This is so creamy. The peanuts are like covered with caramel. You can taste a little bit of salt. I love that. It's really caramelly. You can taste perfect the caramel. It tastes so good in your mouth. So good. That's how it looks. Okay. I'm gonna teach you guys in this video. And you guys have to make a lot of stuff. I'm just doing a taste test. I'm gonna upload this, make another video how to make lipstick. First, I have to see if it works, because guys, I don't want to give you stuff that does not work. And people comment down below and say it doesn't work. I don't know how you feel. The girl that heard his name. So one day I was making slime, right? And the girl said, "Oh, this will totally work." And that I was gonna prove her wrong. So then I didn't, because I had everything. And it didn't work. Then I read some of the comments. And it said, that's my brother. Say hi, Kevin. I am. And I read some of the comments, and it said, that girl just makes a fail slime every time. And I looked, and I even tried all the time, and it never worked. People say that first she does something. No, wait. No, I read some in the comments that every video And I did not try. I just tried 2 more, but they failed also. So then, it never worked. So then, I read some of the comments that she just does something and then it doesn't work and then she replaces it with slime she bought. Here's a perfect slime. I'm going to show you guys how to do. I gotta get all the ingredients. So, today I tried to find, oh yeah, I tried to find containers for the lipstick, but then I failed. Sorry guys. I did not find, but I rather use bottle tops. Do I look amazing? Do I? So yeah. So, if you guys haven't known, I made 4 in the collection. Like literally just 4. It should be like all solid right now. But a lot of people say they like the winter one. My cousin loves both, and this is called the Winter Shine. This is called like this is like a pearl. Look, and if you just go up in there, it's a pearl. See, it's a pearl. And this is green flower. So green flower is just green, guys. Right there. You see. I'm gonna make more. I'm gonna make more today. Over here I have 2 extras. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!